Hi everyone, I'm Alejandro. I'm from Chile, and I wanted to post a video in my channel about the advancements or updates in the development of a new ammo or slug for the Huben K1 that I've been working with other people, and also Nick Nielsen from Nielsen Specialty Ammo. So a lot of thanks to him to listen to me and to want to make this project work. Sorry about my English, but it's not my native language, and I'll try to do my best. So let's get started. This is the first batch of samples that Nick sent me. He sent me two sizes. This is .223 in 33 grains, and I also have over here the same type of slug but in 222. So let's take a look at them closely. So this is a slug. It's a hollow point, and the other one is same one but a little thicker. So let's get the two of them right next to each other. As you can see, this one is the 223 and this is the 222. So that was the first batch. I had some problems with them. They wouldn't fit in the magazine. I have the Huben K1, the version 2, and they were very tight on the magazine, and that causes that the magazine got stuck when it cycles. So every time that I try to test these, I had to take apart the rifle and get the magazine out, as I have it here. As you can see, these are the rifling marks of the magazine. Pretty uniform. And this is the entrance, and as you can see here, they stick out, and even if I push it hard, it won't fit. I had to jam them to test them. I have to, with a hammer and a metal pointer, I don't know how you call it, but I have to jam it and hammer them down till it cuts flush, so then I could shoot them. Now let's get this aside over here. Now I recently got a new sample package from Nick. He sent 4 types of slugs. After talking to him and after deciding which diameter of slug would be better for the Huben K1 barrel, he decided to send me these 4 types. Different weights, different sizes. They are all .217 in 22 grain. I think this one is 33 grains, and 27 grains. So let's check them out. There's one. second one. Third. And fourth. Let me zoom in. Let's focus. There we go. So these two over here are 33 grains and these two over here are 27 grains, I think. Yeah. Hollow points and round nose, as you can see. I think this one, it's kind of very similar to what Gregor showed in earlier videos about the MP molds. So maybe it's going to do fine on the Huben. I have to test them, of course. This is the hollow point. And these other two are the same ones, but smaller, shorter. I already tested them and they all fit in the magazine, as we can see over here. That one I have to push it a little bit in, but without much pressure, it gets flush. So maybe we have to see. This is the shorter one. It's a little bit loose in the magazine, as you can see. If I rattle the magazine a little bit, it gets out, and these other two fit more precise. So that's a little update on the Huben K1 slugs that we're working with Nick. So maybe all of us Huben K1 owners working together, maybe we can, with the help of other people, also in the forums in Ergan Nation, there's a big thread about the Huben. Maybe we can get this gun to shoot well with some specially designed ammo. So just to wrap things up, I want to thank Gregor. He's the man on the Huben K1. He has posted a lot of informative videos, reviews and information on the forums and everything. Also to, as I told you before, to Nick, to send me these slugs. I have to import them from the States to here to Chile. All of the Ergan community, and well, thank you all and happy Easter. Bye.